Today, I will show you one of my favorite building blocks in Google Docs. Hi, Gabriela Laszlo here from KloudGem. Have you ever needed to standardize email language across your team? Did you know that Google Docs has a building block that lets you do just that? Let me show you how. Open a doc. Now either select the email draft chip from the top, or if it doesn't show up, simply type the @ symbol and select email draft from the menu. Write your subject, write your email text, insert relevant people for CCing if needed, for example, and then share the doc with your colleagues. And that's it. When anyone in the team needs to send out this message, all they need to do is open this doc, fill in the blanks, type in the recipient's email address, and click the Gmail icon on the left. This will create an email message directly in Gmail that's ready to send. With this building block, you can save so much time and no one in your team has to reinvent the wheel again. Now imagine creating a whole library of email templates with your team to both speed up and standardize your work. Standardized language will also help you set up rules to automatically sort your emails in Gmail. Now that will take efficiency to the next level. If this video helped you, please give it a thumbs up. And if you want to get notifications when a new video goes up on the KloudGem channel, subscribe. Thanks for watching. Until next time.